Hi, this is Angela with Peninsula School District, here to show you how to do split screens with a Chromebook. So one way you can do it is just by resizing and pulling windows over to the right or over to the left. So Kiddle.co is just a great search engine for younger kids. If you want to limit kids from being able to search the internet, Kiddle is a good one. I am going to search for turtles. And I am going to undock this tab and kind of pull it out of the window. And I'm going to throw it hard to the right side with the touchpad. So I kind of just tossed it over to the right and it lands on the right side. Now if I grab this and kind of toss it, I'm going to resize it and toss it to the left. Let's see if I can do it with the touchpad. It's kind of tricky. And I threw it to the left and it has made two equal size files or tabs open on my Chromebook. If I go into Google Drive and open up a Google Doc file to work on, now a student can read information on one side and type his or her paper or assignment or essay on the left side. So it's kind of nice to be able to scroll through information on one side while constructing your document on the left. Another great thing about this split screen is if you click right in the middle, you'll find these two little menu arrows, and you can pull one side bigger and the other will automatically adjust to make it smaller. If you need more real estate on one side than the other, you can kind of click in the middle area right on the line and find these little pull apart pop out menu options. The other thing that I would like to show you is if you have this maximized, and you can do keystrokes to achieve this too. So you can do Alt plus and Alt minus to totally minimize, or Alt plus to maximize and then to minimize. And if you've minimized them, they're still here, they're just below. So then I can either click on this minimize restore button to resize it and grab it. So that is a way you can move them around and manipulate your windows within a Chromebook.